little bit to nearly a 40-minute commute right now. That is a check of your drive times. Here's Paul with a look of our weather.
It's definitely a wet start this morning, but it's not going to be wet all day. The showers on the radar behind me here gradually moving farther to the southeast, and the whole area of rain is kind of shrinking on itself a little bit. This last batch of showers that's moving through metro Nashville right now is going to wind down over the next hour or so. It doesn't change the fact that it's wet right now. Send the kids out the door with an umbrella. They'll just be able to stash that in the backpack later on today because we are going to dry out as we head into the afternoon. Even a few peaks of sunshine. Very warm. Temperatures are in the 50s this morning. We'll be up to around 70 degrees by this afternoon, but it is showery at the moment. Showers right along I-40 through metro Nashville, but again, moving slowly to the southeast and slowly diminishing as well. We'll zoom out for the wider perspective. The bulk of the more widespread rain is in eastern Middle Tennessee, but even that is going to be diminishing as we head through this morning. Futurecast has a pretty good handle on the overall pattern, shows those showers falling apart, moving farther southeast. Still a few showers on the radar by noon, so we'll leave the rain chances around 20%. Should be just in southeastern Middle Tennessee at that point. Even that activity disappears off the radar as we head into the afternoon of this evening. I can't rule out the possibility, outside chance of a passing shower this afternoon, but most of it should be dry with a few peaks of sunshine overhead. Hopefully this rain will wash some pollen out of the air, but it looks like it's going to remain in the medium category for the pollen count today. Same three things: juniper, maple, and alder, making a few folks sniffle and sneeze. It just looks wet out there this morning. A lot of cloud cover. That's going to be the case for the first half of the day, even as the showers wind down. Then we'll see a few breaks in the clouds this afternoon. A little reflection off the street here in Clifton from Wayne County. Looking at that same reflection with some puddles outside the St. Joseph School in Madison. Same thing in the parking lot at the St. Henry School in West Nashville. Skies are brightening, but again, that sunshine's going to have to wait until a little bit later on in the day. And looking towards downtown Nashville, visibility is a little bit reduced by those showers in the area. But again, it's the wet roads, the puddles that are going to be a bigger issue with a few slick conditions developing. Temperatures are very warm. Right now we're in the mid-50s, 56 degrees in Nashville and Murfreesboro, 57 the warm spots in Tullahoma and McMinnville, 52 the cool spot in Paris. Already we're around our normal high temperatures, and we're going to climb up to around 70 this afternoon, expecting an official high of 71 in Nashville. The record high is 74 degrees, set all the way back in 1897. That should be safe, but if we get a little more sun to peek through the clouds, we can make a run towards that record already today. More warmth tomorrow and again on Friday. Just an outside chance of a couple of isolated showers tomorrow, 20% chance, and that's being generous. Same very low chance during the day Friday. But as we head into Friday evening, strong cold front's going to be moving in from the west, and that's going to spark some thunderstorms that'll develop to our west, cross over the Tennessee River just after sunset, and march west to east across the midstate, with at least some potential that a couple of those storms could become strong to severe. The greatest severe weather threat is going to be farther up to our north, mainly in Indiana. Slight risk of severe weather, that's level 2 out of 5 for southern Kentucky. Marginal risk, level 1 out of 5 for much of Middle Tennessee. Once those storms move through, temperatures going to drop off a cliff from near 80 on Friday down to the low 50s on Saturday. But 50s for high temperatures Saturday and Sunday, that's normal for late February. It'll just feel cool because we've been so spoiled by the warm spell recently. Right back up to around 70 by Tuesday and Wednesday.
Spoiled for sure. My